Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I made this ring. This bead is 3.5 centimeters in length and 2.5 centimeters in width. I'm also going to use a flush cutter, a chain nose pliers, and I'm using this ring sizer, a wooden ring mandrel, 20 inches of silver aluminium wire, and a marker. To begin, I'm going to place a size 9 ring sizer onto the mandrel. Then I'm going to use the marker to mark exactly where I will be making the wrapping. Then I'm going to put the wire through the bead, then bring it to the center. Then I'm going to bend the sides in to prevent the bead from moving around. Then I'm going to place the bead onto the mandrel, as you can see here, and I'm using my thumb to hold the bead down to prevent it from moving around. And then I'm just going to bring the wires around individually, and one is going to be on the top and one is going to be on the bottom. And right here, I'm just making sure that both wires are sitting next to each other. Then I'm going to start wrapping the wires around the base, one after the other. So now I've got one wire on the left and one on the right. And right here, I'm going to loop the wire through the ring. So I'm just going to use the chain nose pliers to make it a bit easier. And I'm wrapping the wire three times. Then I'm going to trim the excess and tuck the end in to prevent it from scratching my skin. Then I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. And as you can see right here, the ring is a lot smaller because of the wrapping that I did. I started with a size 9 and it is now a size 6.5. If your ring is out of shape, what you can do is put it back onto the mandrel and reshape it. So this is what the finished piece looks like. Thank you for watching.